I got these two great tennis players. All we need is a club. Everything to go from prodigy to pro. What you think?
Nobody's taking that bet. Tennis takes families with unlimited financial resources. It's like asking somebody to believe that you got the next two Mozarts.
Venus and Serena gonna shake up this world.
I got 1,000,000 miles on me.
Throw it to the sky. Yeah, that's it. There you go.
They're not going to Wimbledon like this. Not with you and me on those raggedy courts.
We just got to stick to the plan. We got champions in the other room. Richard, I'm impressed.
I think you might just have the next Michael Jordan.
Oh, no, brother. I got me the next two.
And can't nobody knock it if they try.
Let me ask you about something. What do you want out of this? I know what your dad wants, but what about you?
Well, I want to win the Wimbledon as many times as anyone's ever won it.
Every American player got good following this path.
We gonna do this a different way.
You pulled him out of juniors. Now you pull him out of practice. You do it constantly.
Trying to look out for my
You're
kids.
looking out for yourself.
This is their life. You gotta let them decide.
Venus Williams, what you want?
Let's show all of those people that I can handle what's coming.
Feels so good to be alive. It feels so good. That's why I live.
You are a champion, and the whole world knows it.
She's playing the best player on the planet. She can't beat her.
But what if she do?
Ain't nobody knock it if they try. This is hustle personified. Look how we've been fighting to stay alive.
Remember who you are, remember where you came from.
We'll have pride.
I have never been more proud
Do you know how much
in my whole life.
how hard we had to fight?
You gonna show them how dangerous you are? Let me see your dangerous face. Make some dangerous noises. There you go. That's your dangerous face.